Welcome to our lesson about manipulating views. Let's start by creating a view, scale 4:1. Place it here and there. Another one here. Right-click and create. Now if I grab the top view, you can see it only moves up and down. And that's because it's linked to the parent view. When I move the parent view, both the side and top view move as well. Now if I try to move the side view, it only moves horizontally. Let's right-click on the top view, select Edit View. Let's go to the Display Options tab. Uncheck Align to Base and click OK. Now I'm able to freely move this view. Let's right-click on the view and select Edit View. Let's say I want to align the view with the parent again, Display Options. However, the Align to Base option is now grayed out. Let's cancel out of this window. Now let's right-click on the view and select Alignment. Select Vertical and select the base view. Now let's right-click, select Edit View, Display Options tab, and the Align to Base option is available and checked. Cancel out of this window. Okay, let's insert a new sheet. And let's return to Sheet 1 with a double click in the tree. Right-click, Copy, and let's go to Sheet 2. Right-click, select Paste. Now let's delete this view. Right-click, Delete. Inventor confirms if we want to delete View A. Yes, we do. And double-click on Sheet 1 to activate it. Let's expand the sheet branches. Here we have our parent view. Let's expand it. Here's our top view. I'll simply grab and drag this view onto Sheet 2. Now the top view is located right here. This view isn't on Sheet 1 anymore. Once again, let's activate Sheet 2 and drop it about here. Now if I grab and drag this view, you can see that it moves freely. Let's right-click on this view, select Alignment, and select Vertical, and select the parent view. Now this view is linked to the parent view. And this concludes our lesson about manipulating views.